How to pay using Ggives in Lazada. Now, the very first thing that you need to do is ensure that your Lazada and your Gcash account is connected or linked. Just go directly to your account, and in here you can go ahead and go to your My Lazada wallet. From here, just go ahead to your payment options, and in there make sure that your Gcash is 100% connected with your Lazada wallet. Now, next thing you do is, of course, convert or transfer your Ggives from Gcash to your Lazada wallet here. And then if you haven't activated your Lazada wallet, you'll have to activate it for you to be able to use any funds that you have from Gcash directly to your Lazada wallet, and you should be able to use it after activating it. Now, next thing to do is just by transferring over from Ggives to Lazada wallet, and you should be able to use this as a set of payment method on any of the purchases you want from this application right here. So that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to pay using Ggives and Lazada.